Hello today. We are doing a Titan microwave showcase. You need badge for him. This how you get it. In Zombie Madness. Then go to shop. Choose your character. Then click the yellow dot pad. This music is fire. Then beat wave 30. I recommend you have a Titan or strong team. Let's go back to toilet attack. When you get the badge. You now have Titan microwave. Flamethrower has really good damage and good for splash. M1 first hit 1000 . Second hit around 2.5k. Stomp 1k damage. He has equal HP to UTCM. And UTTVMBTW that 100k. My Wi-Fi sucks. Hudson 1. I might not upload dots for a bit to get 3.0. Goodbye.